Hi everyone, I am Sandeep Ranjan. In this tutorial video today, you are going to learn about how to use light and shadow technique in photography. And by the end of this video, you will learn to take pictures like this as which you can see on this screen. So keep watching, keep learning. When you do photography in studio, we should have few things. One is backdrop that can be of green color or white, gray, blue, it will work. Then we should have light. This is key light, or you can also say this as a main light. Okay. So these lights we use mostly when we have to create 3-point lights. Okay. So one light will be coming from this side, another light will be coming from this side. So next, right now here we will see how to use these light shadow concept for photography. Okay. So I will ask one person to come here and just have a sit on this. Oh, someone come and sit. Okay. Okay. So right now you can see the light which is going from top to like bottom to top. So the face again. Now let me bring the camera. Okay. So at this point of time, everything is fixed. Okay. So now see here the frame in the camera and the lady which is sitting over there. So if I want to take this particular portrait, I have to just focus properly and just will take the picture. Eyes got closed. So now the light which is showing some fall from here. Now another example will show you. Another example will be like this time I will keep the light here, okay, at this particular place. So for that I have to use it carefully. Okay. Now another one, like now this time light is coming from another side. So half face is fully highlighted with the light, another is having there some shadow. So now let's go close look and just have a look. Just make your face straight. So in this picture, basically here you can see half of the side is having good amount of light and another side is having very less amount of light which is creating some shadow. Next, the picture which we have taken here, this one. Now this picture is having good amount of light both the side. So this is one way of using light and shadow technique for indoor photography. Okay. Yes. So now let's say, for example, the vector is here. Yes. Now this is reflector, okay, which will reflect the light or diffuse the light. So once it is open, now let's say for example, my light is completely this side, okay, but her face is not getting that much amount of light. So what I can do, I can just use this. You can see here on the face, this is using reflector, okay, and this is there without reflector. So we can see the change, and this particular things can help you to get a proper amount of light on face, like sunlight. You can also use this sunlight. So this is silver, so that's why it is showing completely silver color. If let's say I am using this another side black color, then black color will not reflect that much amount of light. See, it is completely diffusing here only. But if we have something shiny, then
we can create certain image. If you take this picture, then you will see like a very cool light is falling on the face. Okay? So these are few ways which you can use for your photography purpose. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now just be there. Come again here. What's just hold this like. ठीक है, एक बार आप देखना इसको, like how it is falling on her face. नहीं आया, और फिर बेटा, just little bit like this. Now it is perfect, fine. So here, now my focus will be mostly on her earring part. ठीक है, close portrait. So let's say, for example, again I will zoom it fully, and if I have to go to just cover earring, so I have to make sure that which angle, which area is fine. Now this is okay. So just look straight, okay? Yeah. So now here light is not at that side, but I'm just taking few pictures. So of that. Now here you can see the picture which we have taken having good amount of light on face.